Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss rounding of the numbers. What is rounding of the numbers? Rounding of the numbers, that is the approximate of the number. That means if it is 79, that means it is the approximate close to the number of 18, that is the nearest 10. Okay? Round up and round down. That means if it is greater than, if we should write here nearest to 10, that means we should follow the 10th digit with the number of ones digit. That means if it is 36, that means 30 tens plus 6. Okay, 6 is the less than or greater than is 5. 6 is greater than 5. That means we should go the next 10. That means 3 tens. After that 4 tens. That means 40. So we should write here approximate. 36 is approximate or round of 40. Okay. If it is 34, then 30 plus 4. 4 is less than 5. That means it is goes to the previous tens. Previous tens. That means 30 previous tens, that is 20. That's why we should write here 20. Okay. Suppose here is 67. 7 is in the rounding to the nearest 10. Nearest 10, that means tens. Okay. 6 tens are there and 7 is in the ones place. So we should follow the same ones place digit. 7 is a greater than a 5. That's why we should go the next tens. That means 60 tens. After that 70. 70 or 7 tens, that is 70. Okay. If it is 134, that means 13 tens plus 4 ones. 4 ones. That means 4 is less than 5. That means 4 is less than 5. That's why we should go the previous number or the round down. Okay. If it is less than 5, then we should go the down or round down. If it is 5 or greater than 5. Okay. Or more than 5. If it is 5 or greater than 5, that's why on that time we should go in the next number or after number. Okay, that is called the round up. For an example, this one is called the round up. If the number goes in the front or goes in the after number, that is called the round up. If it is goes back or less than numbers or less than 5, that is called the round down. That is the way. Okay. 13 tens. Nearest to the tens, that means 13 tens are there and 4 ones. 4 ones means it is less than 5. That's why we should go back of the digit or back of the number, or it is less than 5. It goes to the round down. Down. Okay. That's why we should write here 130. Okay. This one is all about round up and round down. Okay. There are so many examples of homeworks are there. If you follow it. Rounding to the nearest 1000. That means we should round the thousands, but we should correct it from this digit or from the previous digit of the 1000. That means 100 place is the 4. That means 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. That's why we should go in back. That means 2000. If it is more than 5 or 5 or more than 5 or greater than 5, it will goes in the front. That means 2400 or 2000. If it is 2500, that goes in round up. That's why we should go the next 1000, 2000. After 2000 it is 3000. So we should write here on that time 3000. Okay. Here is so many examples are there. So you should do it yourself. Thousands, 10, 100 and thousands place. That means just I will discuss number 2 from exercise 1D. Okay. 5, 9, 0, 0, 7, 8. When we should do the nearest to the 10. Nearest to the 10, that means we should follow this from this number. Okay. 5, 9, 0, 0, 7. If it is 10, that means close to the 10 or greater than 10, so that is 80. Okay. If it is 100, then 10, 1, 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay. If it is 10,000, 10,000. If it is 100, then place of 100. Okay. Nearest to 10. It is nearest to the 10. Okay. And if it is to the nearest 100, 5, 9, 100 place, that means here is a 7, that means 0. 100 place is the, if 7 is greater than 5, that's why we should write here 100 place in 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1, 0, 0. Okay. Then the 100 nearest to the 100. If it is nearest to the 1000, nearest to the 1000, that means this 0. 5, 9, 1000 means here is 0. That means 0, 0, 7, 8. Okay. 0, 0 also. You should write here also the 0, 0. Okay. 5, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0. Do you understand? Okay. So you should do it yourself. 1D. What is the greatest and smallest number for this digit? Formation of the smallest and greatest digit with the digits. Smallest. Division test. This one the division test. Smallest. At first, we find the smallest number from here, 0. But we don't write 0 in the left. Okay, extreme left. We don't write the 0. After the 0, in digit 5. That's why we should write here 5 first. Then we should write here 0. Okay, 5, 0. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that is greatest. Greatest number. We should find the greatest number. Which one is the biggest or greatest? 9. So we should write here 9. Then 8. The smallest number, inverse to this number. 9, 8, 7, then 6, then 5. At last you should write here 0, because 0 is the smallest number. If we write when we should write the smallest number, if we write 0 at first, then 6, 5 6 7 8 0. If 0 is in the back or if 0 is in the left corner, extreme left, then 0 is in the 1 2 3 4 5 digits. So 6 digits is in there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits is in there. That's why you should write here 5 at first. Okay. So this one, number 2, number 3, number 4, your homework. Already I discussed this. And greater than, less than, which one is greater? If it is greater than this number, then you should greater than sign right here. After, otherwise, if it is equal, then you should write here equals to. Place value of the color digit. Place value of the color digit. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. That means 4 lakh is in there. 4 at first. After that 1 2 3 4 5 digits. That means after 4 5 zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Where is it? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. That means this one correct. So you should find it and you should do your homework. Okay, thank you.